me know when you're done because I gotta pee.
What is up, YouTube? Today we are here, Wisconsin, fishing Vern Wolf Lake, representing the Chicago Bears always. Gonna try this new spinnerbait. It's a Strike King, a KVD spinnerbait. Gonna give that a go here with the minimum amount of daylight we have left while the family plays on the beach. Let's go. There's one. Yeah. Here we go. First one on. Oh, these pike, they're messy. When you get them in these nets, man, they are messy. But now we got a hold of them. I'm sure things will go a lot smoother. So we got that hook out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. See if I can another beautiful, beautiful pike out here, guys. That's what we do, right? Spinnerbait fishing out here. Vern Wolf Lake. Oh yeah. Got the fam on the beach right in front of me. I'm over here in my bear shirt representing Wisconsin. And we're going in for the release. How's the water?
Didn't get your rat out of the water. Oh, geez. Don't run me over. Don't run me over. So I'm going, Jonah. You go on my tire.
Alright guys, windy day. Wasn't expecting much. Glad I caught a fish. We are headed out. And we'll see you guys next Friday on another GeoFishing exclusive. Peace. Got one on the KVD spinnerbait. It's a good spinnerbait, but not one of my favorites.